This is the practice test for algebra, and here we're working on problem number 8, which says if minus 2x plus 6 equals 24, what is the value of x? So I want to solve this equation for the value of x. And here is my equation down here. And what I want to do is I want to have my x isolated by itself on the left-hand side of the equal sign. I want my numbers all over on the right-hand side. So as I look at this, I want to move this plus 6 over to the right-hand side of the equation. And the way I do that, whenever I want to move any number, is I put the same number underneath it with the opposite sign. So this is a positive, and I'm going to subtract 6 from it. The rule for equations is whatever you do on one side, you have to do the same thing on the other to keep it equal. And so I'm going to subtract 6 from this side as well. And when I do this, the minus 2 is just going to come down. And the 6's plus 6 minus 6, they're going to cancel. My equal sign must come down. 24 minus 6 gives me 18. So my last step is always to divide both sides by the number in front of the x. So I'm going to divide this side by minus 2. I need to do the same thing on the other side, divide by minus 2. The minus 2's are going to cancel each other over on the left, leaving me with just the x. And x is equal to 18 divided by the minus 2, which is minus 9, which is your answer, letter C in this problem.